How to use dictionary in Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can search for different words in the dictionary. First of all, open the application. Now you can select any of the book or read any of the book. Here I'm tapping on one. So this book has been opened. Now there are different words that you might not know. So first, simply tap and hold onto the word that you don't know. Now here on the bottom you can see this dictionary option. So here first you must download this dictionary and you'll be able to search or find any meaning of this word. So here on the bottom you can see its meaning. So here if you swipe right, there are different Wikipedias and other informations about it too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.